The wild is unpredictable and powerful, a force of nature that demands respect. It holds both breathtaking beauty and the potential for immense destruction. It can upend your life in seconds, leaving you vulnerable and exposed. Natural disasters can strike with little to no warning, turning familiar landscapes into unrecognizable wastelands. Survival isn't luck. It's not about hoping for the best and simply reacting to whatever comes your way. It's about making smart decisions when things go wrong, having the foresight to anticipate potential dangers, and equipping yourself with the knowledge and resources to navigate challenging situations. Preparation starts with a mindset, a commitment to being proactive rather than reactive. It's about cultivating a sense of self-reliance and taking responsibility for your own safety and well-being. I will be ready. This is more than just a statement. It's a declaration of intent, a promise to yourself that you will face adversity with courage and determination. Prepping isn't paranoia. It's not about succumbing to fear or dwelling on worst-case scenarios. It's common sense and responsibility, a rational approach to mitigating risks and ensuring the safety of yourself and those you care about, for yourself and your loved ones. It's about taking concrete steps to protect your family, your home, and your future. Think of it as insurance you hope you never need, a safety net that provides peace of mind and a sense of security, but you'll be grateful for if you do. When disaster strikes, having a well-stocked emergency kit and a solid plan can make all the difference. Prepping means having the tools, the right equipment to handle a variety of emergency situations. Knowledge, understanding how to use those tools and apply survival techniques effectively, and a plan to face disaster. A clear, well-rehearsed strategy that outlines your actions and responsibilities in the event of an emergency. We'll break down how to prepare for earthquakes, understanding the risks, and implementing safety measures to protect yourself during seismic events. Hurricanes, learning how to track storms, secure your home, and evacuate safely when necessary. Floods, identifying flood zones, protecting your property, and knowing how to navigate floodwaters safely. Wildfires, creating defensible space around your home, understanding evacuation routes, and protecting yourself from smoke inhalation. And winter storms, preparing for power outages, stocking up on supplies, and staying safe in freezing temperatures. Each disaster is different, presenting unique challenges and requiring specific responses. But every threat has a counter move. There are always steps you can take to mitigate the risks and increase your chances of survival. Knowing what you're up against is the first step to survival. Understanding the nature of the threat, its potential impact, and the resources available to you. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and skills you need to face any challenge with confidence. Give you the knowledge to not just survive, but to thrive in the face of adversity. But come out stronger. To emerge from challenging situations with renewed resilience and a deeper appreciation for life. We'll cover what to do before, the proactive steps you can take to prepare for potential disasters, during, how to react effectively and stay safe when disaster strikes and after disaster strikes, the steps you can take to recover, rebuild, and move forward. This is about practical, life-saving actions, concrete steps you can take to protect yourself and others, and building resilience, developing the mental and emotional fortitude to overcome challenges and bounce back from setbacks. Your greatest asset is your mind. Your ability to think critically, solve problems, and adapt to changing circumstances. Keep it sharp, stay positive, and let's get started. Let's embark on this journey of preparedness together, equipping ourselves with the knowledge and skills we need to face whatever challenges may lie ahead. When it comes to survival, being proactive is key. It's not just about reacting to a crisis, but preparing for it in advance. Your survival strategy starts with two essential kits: the go bag and the home kit. These aren't just collections of items. They're your first line of defense in an emergency situation. The go bag is your lifeline, a grab-and-go solution if you need to evacuate your home quickly. Time is of the essence during an evacuation, and a well-prepared go bag can make all the difference. First, pack water. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in stressful situations. Next, food. Choose non-perishable items that provide sustained energy. Don't forget shelter. A lightweight tent or emergency blanket can protect you from the elements. These essentials should sustain you for at least 72 hours, giving you time to reach safety or assistance. Include a water filter or purification tablets to ensure access to safe drinking water from natural sources. Pack high-energy food items like protein bars and nuts to keep your strength up. A multi-tool can be invaluable for various tasks, from repairs to food preparation. A sturdy knife is another essential tool for cutting, crafting, and self-defense. A flashlight with extra batteries is crucial for navigating in the dark. A well-stocked first aid kit can help you treat minor injuries and prevent infections. A whistle can be used to signal for help if you become lost or injured. A dust mask can protect your lungs from smoke, dust, and other airborne particles, and a local map, along with a compass, can help you navigate even without electronic devices. Customize your first aid kit with any personal medications you or your family members require, and add a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to stay informed about emergency updates and weather alerts. Your home kit, on the other hand, is designed for sheltering in place, providing you with the resources you need to stay safe and comfortable at home. It should contain enough supplies to sustain you and your family for at least 2 weeks. Store water in clean, sealed containers. A general rule is 1 gallon per person per day. Stock up on non-perishable food items that don't require cooking, such as canned goods, dried fruits, and granola bars. Don't forget a manual can opener, as power outages are common during emergencies, and sanitation supplies, including toilet paper, hand sanitizer, and garbage bags, are essential for maintaining hygiene. Add a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to your home kit as well for receiving important information. Keep some cash on hand, as electronic payment systems may be down, and include comfort items like books, games, or family photos to help ease stress and maintain morale. Keep everything organized in sturdy, easy-to-carry containers so you can quickly access what you need. Being well prepared at home means you can ride out the storm safely and comfortably, knowing you have the resources you need. Don't forget to rotate your supplies regularly to ensure freshness, and check expiration dates on food and medications, replacing them as needed. Ultimately, preparation is peace of mind. Knowing you're ready for the unexpected can significantly reduce stress and anxiety during a crisis. With these comprehensive kits, you'll be well equipped to handle whatever challenges come your way, protecting yourself and your loved ones. Earthquakes strike without warning, often catching us off guard in our homes, workplaces, or even while we're on the move. These sudden and powerful events can cause widespread destruction and pose significant threats to life and safety. In the face of such unpredictable natural disasters, your survival depends on instant, correct reactions. Knowing what to do in those crucial moments can significantly increase your chances of staying safe and minimizing harm to yourself and those around you. Quick thinking and preparedness are your greatest allies. Secure heavy furniture to walls to prevent them from toppling over, place heavy items on lower shelves to reduce the risk of falling objects, and identify safe spots in every room, such as under sturdy tables, along interior walls, or in reinforced doorways. Knowing these safe havens can provide immediate protection during the shaking. Practice drop, cover, and hold on until it's second nature. Conduct regular earthquake drills with your family or colleagues to ensure everyone knows the proper procedures and can react instinctively when an earthquake occurs. During shaking, stay indoors, as the greatest risk of injury comes from falling debris outside. If you're indoors when the shaking starts, drop to your hands and knees, preventing you from being knocked over. Cover your head with your arms and hands to protect yourself from falling debris. Get under sturdy furniture like a heavy table or desk to shield yourself from falling objects. If sturdy furniture isn't available, move against an interior wall, away from windows and exterior doors. Hold on until the shaking stops. This will prevent you from moving and potentially getting injured. Be aware that aftershocks can follow, and these secondary tremors can be just as dangerous as the initial earthquake. If outside, move to open space away from buildings, trees, and anything else that could fall. Keep away from buildings and power lines, as these pose significant hazards during and after an earthquake. After the quake, check for injuries, providing first aid to yourself and others as needed. Then help others who may be injured or trapped, offering assistance and support to those in need. Exit damaged buildings carefully. Be aware of falling debris and unstable structures. Never use elevators after an earthquake, as they can become trapped or malfunction. Use your emergency radio for updates from authorities and important information about the situation. Avoid unnecessary phone use to keep lines open for emergency services and critical communications. Check for gas leaks by smelling for gas and listening for hissing sounds. Carefully inspect for structural damage before re-entering your home, looking for cracks, leaning walls, and other signs of instability. Use stored water and food supplies, as local resources may be contaminated or unavailable. Tap water may be unsafe to drink, so rely on your emergency water supply until authorities declare it safe. Help neighbors. Community support is crucial in the aftermath of an earthquake. Community is key to recovery, fostering resilience and mutual aid in the face of adversity. Share resources and information with your neighbors to ensure everyone has access to essential supplies and updates. By working together and sharing information, we can speed recovery and rebuild our community stronger than before. Your preparation now provides stability in chaos, giving you the confidence and resources to navigate the challenges ahead. Stay alert for aftershocks and hazards, remaining vigilant and prepared for any further seismic activity or potential dangers. Hurricanes bring fierce winds, rain, and flooding, but you usually get a warning. Know your evacuation zone and routes. Prepare your home by boarding windows and securing loose items. Keep your go bag ready and your car fueled. When a hurricane watch is issued, monitor updates and check your supplies. If told to evacuate, leave immediately. Don't risk the storm surge. Tell someone your destination. If sheltering in place, choose a small, windowless room on a low, non-flooding level. Stay there until authorities say it's safe. During the storm, stay away from windows and doors. Don't be fooled by the eye of the storm. Wait for the all clear. Afterward, beware of downed power lines and floodwaters. Document damage for insurance and contact loved ones. Recovery is tough, but your preparation gives you the best chance. Stay calm and follow official guidance. Floods can strike anywhere, sometimes slowly, sometimes in a flash. Know your flood risk and keep important items on higher floors. Have a go bag ready and waterproof bags for documents. Listen to emergency updates and evacuate immediately if advised. Turn off utilities if you have time before leaving. If sheltering, move to higher floors, never the attic. Never walk, swim, or drive through floodwaters. If trapped, get to the roof and signal for help. After waters recede, wait for authorities before re-entering your home. Wear boots and gloves for cleanup. Throw out contaminated food. Disinfect everything the water touched to prevent illness. Document damage for insurance. Careful steps will help you reclaim your home safely. Wildfires move fast. Preparation is your best defense. Create a defensible space around your home by clearing flammable debris. Use fire-resistant materials for your house if possible. Have an evacuation and communication plan ready. When a red flag warning is issued, prepare to leave. Don't wait. Load your go bag, pets, and valuables into your vehicle. If ordered to evacuate, go immediately. A wildfire can outrun you. If trapped, stay inside. Fill tubs with water and keep doors, windows closed. Never try to outrun a fire on foot. After the fire, return only when authorities say it's safe. Check for embers and hidden fires. Wear a mask for poor air quality and document damage. Recovery is long. Lean on your community for support. Rebuilding is about restoring both home and spirit. Winter storms can be deadly. Preparation is key. Winterize your home, insulate, seal leaks, and protect pipes. Service your heating system and stock up on blankets and warm clothes. Keep your home kit ready with food, water, and non-electric essentials. Charge devices and power banks before the storm. Avoid travel roads will be dangerous. During the storm, conserve heat by gathering in one room. Use safe heating methods and never use a gas stove for warmth. Wear layers and eat regularly to maintain body heat. After the storm, be cautious. Outside ice and cold are still dangerous. Shovel snow carefully and watch for frostbite or hypothermia. Check on neighbors, especially the vulnerable. Community support helps everyone get through harsh winters. In disaster, your mind is your most important tool. Panic clouds judgment. Fight it by focusing on solutions. Use the plan method. Protect, locate, assess, navigate. Control your breathing to reset your mind. Remind yourself you've prepared. Confidence comes from competence. Assess threats and resources logically. Break big problems into small, manageable tasks. Celebrate small victories. They build momentum. Maintain a positive attitude. Hope fuels survival. Find reasons to keep going, even in dark moments. Rest when you can. Fatigue leads to mistakes. Stay calm, think clearly, and you become a survivor, not a victim. Your mindset can turn chaos into opportunity. Survival starts in your head. True resilience is found in community, not just self-reliance. Your neighbors are your first responders when disaster strikes. Build relationships and share skills before a crisis. Organize neighborhood emergency plans and pool resources. After disaster, check on each other. Help the vulnerable. Share information and resources to strengthen your group. Helping others boosts your own morale and sense of purpose. Simple acts of kindness can be as vital as supplies. Survival is about preserving humanity, not just staying alive. The will to survive is fueled by hope and community. Be prepared, be smart, and be a good neighbor. Together, you can overcome anything.